Hello, my friend. You can see this is our double beat device. Firstly, you can see we call this device A and this device B. Okay. And now I would like to introduce the button for you. You can see there's 12 buttons here. Okay. This is P is for setup. We do not to touch it, and I will let you know later how to do this. And this is for up and down. You can see up, down, up, down. Okay. And this for feeder, manual feeder. I will let you know. Can see press 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. You can see 1, 0, 2, 0. Like this. Okay. You can press this freely, no problem. And this one is for rotating. You can see rotating. Okay. And this one is for A and B, because we have two devices here. This is A, this is B. Okay. And you can change A and B here. This is for B. You can see if here show B, all the button is for B. You can see. Okay. You can see. And if you turn here, A, all the button is for A. Like this. Okay. You see? Okay. And after the install of our device, and you need to power on the machine. Okay. I will show you power on the machine. Power on the machine. You can see the device will find the 0 point automatically. You can see. Okay. This is good. This is good. No problem. Okay. After you connect all the cables and the device gets a signal from the machine, firstly we need to check whether the device works well or not. And we need to check this one. Press 1, 2, 0, 1. Okay, when it is 1, the feeder is the most front point. In this case, we need to push by hand. Okay, by hand to push here, push to check whether the feeder is in its most front point, because the best way is when the feeder in the 1 position, it should be the most back point. When we push by hand, okay, here there not any space here. So in this case, the feeder can hold the beads very strongly. This is the best way. Okay, but sometimes when we push here, okay, it is not in its most front point. I will let you know how to do later. And when here is 2, okay, we need also to check. Here is 2, okay. We need to also check where the feedback is most back point. The best way is, it should be the most back point, okay. Can you understand me? This is the best way. When here it is 2, the feeder should be the most back point. When here is number 1, okay, the feeder should be most front point. This is the best way. And now you can see when sometimes we have a problem because we pressed 1, okay. This is when here it is 1. The feeder must be in the most front point. But sometimes you can see if we push by hand, you can see here still there's some big space. In this case, the device will not work very well. So now we need to set up by P. Okay, here you can see P. We press P 1. Okay, this is for B. Can see when we press this one, okay, it will go. Okay, here. Okay, we need to You can see here, there's a bigger space. So in this case, you can see here we have plus and minus. And we need to press minus. We press minus and the feeder will go out. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see the feeder will come out automatically. And after your adjustment, we press confirm. Okay, now we check whether it is okay. You can see it's 1. Okay, we push by hand again. Okay, there's still some space, so we needed to check again by press again. Okay, then we minus maybe 1, 2. Let him check 3 maybe. Okay, confirm. Now we check again. Now you can see seems okay. Okay, now it is very good position. Very good position. Similarly, if we adjust the backward, okay, backward, we press P, okay, and you can see if I press P, this is for front point, okay, this is for back point, and if you found the back point is not good, you can also press plus or minus to adjust the feeder, okay. After you after your adjustment, you need to make a confirm. Okay, then the adjustment has been installed in the card. You can see this is P. Okay, P is for setup. Press 1. Now it's for B device. Okay, B device inside the one. This one. Now we get into the setup. This is for 0 point. Okay, you can go, press this one plus minus to move this, but normally 0 point, no need to move. And second one, you can see this is for 1. Okay, when the feeder comes out, you can press here, push here by hand to check whether there's space or not. If there's a space, we need to take the minus. Okay, and sometimes it is too strong. We need to press plus. Okay, this is for position 1. That means the feeder comes out, and we press again. This is for feeder number 2. Okay, this is for feeder in the most back point. We need to check by hand whether there's some space or not. If there's space, we need to press Y minus. Okay, and plus. It depends. Okay. And then we press again. This is for rotate, the port rotate. Okay, rotate faster or slower, and you can press minus or plus. This is for device B. After your adjustment, you need to confirm. Okay, now now it is A, same. Okay, you press 1. This is for A device 0 point. You can press plus or minus, and you press again. This is for feeder comes out. You need to push by hand. Okay, whether there's space or not. If there's space, we need to press minus several times. It depends. Okay, and then press again. This is for back point. It's back point. Okay, we push by hand whether there's space or not. If there's space, we need to press minus. Okay, this is for setup. After the one thing is very important. After the setup, you need to confirm. Okay, now the adjustment has been preserved in the card. Repeat. If we press 1, this is for A 0 point. 0 point. Okay, so we can move forward or backward by press minus or plus. Press 2 times. That means front point. We can also press this and this to adjust it. This is 3rd time. This back point. Okay, we can press this and this. Press again. This is for port rotate speed. Sometimes we need the port rotate faster. Sometimes we want it slower. So by press plus or minus. Okay, this is for A, and after adjustment we press this one, confirm. And then this is for A, same. Okay, 1 like this. Okay, by press this and this. This is for setup. But in our daily life, we need to tell our worker not to touch this, because if we touch this, the setup can be changed. Okay. Okay. After the installment of our device and everything is okay, the cable connection is okay, then firstly we need to adjust the needle. The needle must be in the center of the beads hole. So let me tell you. Firstly, we have part A and part B. Okay, this is part A. This is part B, and we needed to adjust the part B firstly. So we press here. Okay, this is B, and press this one. Press this one, and you can see the feeder will come out. Okay. Let me show you. In this case, okay, we press the needle down to check whether the needle is in the center of beads or not. Okay, you can like this. You can see if it's in the center, it is okay. If not, we need to adjust the screw here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 screw. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 screw, and we can move the device inside, outside, left side or right side. Okay, by adjusting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, by adjust these screws, and then if device B is okay, now we adjust the device A. Okay, and normally speaking, if device B is okay, device A should be okay automatically, because we have adjusted in my factory. But sometimes it is still not okay. In this case, let me show you. Here, you can see, here I have a screw here, this one, okay, and in this side, this one, okay, you can see this one. We can rotate this screw this way or this way to move the device B, device A in or out. Adjust this one to move the device left side or right side. But one thing is very important. Before you rotate this one, okay, you need to loose 1, 2, 3. To loose 3 screw firstly, and then rotate this one. And after you rotate this one, and you need to lock it. Okay, same. Before you rotate this one, we needed to open 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then rotate. After adjustment, we needed to lock this one. Okay, could you understand me?